बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। Grade 6. Welcome to online class. Hopefully you will be fine and safe at home and taking keen interest in your studies. You will have to utilize this time positively. It's our week 2 in computer studies, as we are studying chapter number 2, formatting data in Excel 2013. Formatting means to change something. Understand? Formatting means to change. How we edit text in Excel sheet. Today we will read page number 17 and 18, in which we will study how we make alignment and orientation of data. In these lectures, we will just read this. In practical class, I will show you how to format data in Excel 2013, how make it bold, how make it underline, how make it align, how make it orientation. All these topics I will show you in practical. But before this, we will have to read the chapters pages. Understand? So let's move towards book. Open page number 17. Here we will study alignment and orientation of data. Alignment refers to the position where data is placed within the boundary of a cell. As you know that Excel sheet is a working of cells. Excel sheet completely depends on cells. Excel sheet पे cells बने हुए होते हैं. तो alignment refers to the position where data is placed within the boundary of a cell. Cell के अंदर data कहाँ पर मौजूद है वो उसकी alignment कहलाती है. By default, Excel applies the appropriate horizontal alignment to each data type. By default means the settings which are set it in computer, or the changings which happens by itself. Okay. For example, numbers are always right aligned and text is left aligned. Whenever you will type in Excel sheet, the numbers will align right and the text will align left. You can also control the vertical alignment within a cell. Here in figure 2.12 shows the various commands in the alignment group on the home tab. You can see here left align by this, center by this, right align by this, decrease indent by this, increase indent by this, merge and center by this, review by this option, data by this, orientation by this option, bottom align by this option, and here this is middle align and top align, middle align and top align. Got it? To set alignment, select a cell or range and click the required vertical and horizontal alignment buttons. Now move towards page number 18. Page number 18. Vertical alignment can be top, middle or bottom. Horizontal alignment can be left, center and or right. Vertical alignment means this one and horizontal means this one alignment. Orientation refers to the relative physical position or direction of text Orientation refers to the relative physical position or direction of text. This is written here. I am writing is. If you will write it like this, so this is orientation of your text. Understand? Now look at this. The usual orientation is horizontal. To change it, first select the cell or cells and then click orientation in the alignment group. Then click the required option from the menu that appears in figure 2.15, and figure 2.16 shows various types of orientation. Look at this. From right to left, if we move, rotate text down, rotate text up, vertical text, angle clockwise, angle counterclockwise. These are different orientations. Here in 2.15 text wrap, here comes orientation in the alignment, angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down, format cell, alignment. The next is, if you have to align the data to a specific angle, click format cell, alignment option. The format cells dialog box appears with the alignment tab selected as in figure 2.17. Under orientation, using the mouse, drag the pointer to the required angle. The text in the selected cell will appear titled at this angle. Understand? You will have to study, you will have to read out these, and you will have to find out on Excel sheet these options as given in book by yourself, and I will remove your queries, I will remove your problems by practical class, through practical. You will take complete command on these terms and you will be able to write anything or format anything on Excel sheet if you will take interest in practical or in reading as well. Thank you.